Artists, architects, and dreamers live here for a reason. This is Indian Beach, Sapphire Shores. Living in this home means living in a piece of Sarasota history. Built in 1941 by the father of modern architecture himself, Ralph Twitchell, this is Lou Andrews' house number 2, carefully reimagined for the 21st century. Imagine waking up to these serene views just steps outside your bedroom. Perfect lighting for every occasion, and oh look, no lawn maintenance. So if you love Sarasota architectural history, this home's probably for you. My name's Darren Dowling with the Dowling Group at Beyond Realty. Contact me to schedule your showing today.